Welcome to my YouTube channel. Higher order functions. Higher order functions are functions that take other functions as parameters and use them for operation. So over here we have an array of numbers. So supposing you are working on some HTML stuff that you will have to display some JSON object, or let me say an array from JavaScript inside your HTML, you could use the ForEach higher order function to do that. So what it basically does is it helps us look through each of the items inside the array, and then you can perform certain operations based on the code that you write in there. So over here, all that I want to do is to just add like 2 to the numbers. So I'll say num plus 2. So it will take each of the items inside the array and then add 2. But the application of ForEach is not limited to this particular example. The applications and possibilities are endless. But the main objective is for you to understand how to use the ForEach function. Thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button for more. Like and share as well. See you next time.